The whole team of us are en route to a waterfall. We are for real just motorbiking through the jungle right now in Chiang Mai province, going uphill, and really excited to maybe do some skinny dipping, who knows? This bike is really struggling right now. So we may have our first day of work tomorrow and very little money in our pockets, but we have a place to live and we're celebrating that. I'm excited. This is fucking beautiful! Woo! Wait, what? You gonna do what? Hey, Vita. Yeah. Talk to me.
I don't know what to say. Like, I really don't know what to say. I mean, it's all right there. Just taking it in.
Frankly, I was not expecting this. It's a very happy surprise. Jeremiah is about to go into the fall, brave the falls with Bogdan, one of our crew members. Let's take a look. I'm not even gonna try to pretend I know what they're talking about. Don't be afraid! Avita's given back to nature what nature hath given her. Are you done? See you guys, all this time we've been complaining about the rain. This is what it was for. And now until next time.